Hi, I'm Sergio from SpotYet Virtual, a product with a clear mission, improving the social interaction within organizations. It's going to be a paradigm shift in working methods after the COVID-19 crisis. Google already announced that their employees will work from home until the end of the year. Twitter announced that remote work is going to be a permanent option. Now, imagine that you are a manager in a company. Everywhere you look online, you see surveys, articles, and posts about remote work. Most people want to work from home, either partially or fully. And I don't want to sell here remote work. I'm just saying that this is a trend, and sooner or later it will affect all of us, if it hasn't already, of course. And as managers, you have to minimize risks. Now, you might wonder what's going to happen with the organizational culture, how to integrate new employees, and also how to ensure a good communication and motivation inside of my team, department, or even company. I'm here to present you the solution to all these problems, SpotYet Virtual, a bot integrated within corporate communication systems. We facilitate remote coffee breaks with people from all corners of your company. We make sure that you keep a cohesive team culture and that you encourage interpersonal relations. With us, you can build a community, a group of people that know each other and share the same values. Now, you might wonder how to add our bot to your system. You just go to our website and you add our Slack bot to your workspace. Then you can add it to whatever channels you want. We recommend you though to create a separate channel in order to avoid spamming people. Then you are going to have the chance to configure the bot as a manager. You'll see soon the screen. Here is the description of what the bot can do. And in the configuration window, you'll be able to select when you want matching to take place. Now this can be fixed like every week or every 2 weeks. It can also be spontaneous. You can select the group size of people to be matched. Later on, we'll also have an analytics dashboard here, and managers will be able to broadcast messages. Then that's all. Employees get matched. And as you can see here in each group, one person is going to be assigned to schedule the meeting. You can see it right here. And this should take like 1 minute tops because they are going to use your company's software. Now, regarding the business side, we target companies with at least 15 employees which work partially or fully remotely. And we are going to have monthly subscriptions with packages influenced by the number of active users and premium features such as customized connections, icebreakers, and an analytics dashboard. We are going to use the free version as a lead magnet for our sales funnel. In the following 6 months, we are going to focus on increasing the size of our customer base with our free version. We are going to do this by using our social networks, and also we are going to approach big Slack communities in order to offer our product for free for visibility. And we are also currently working on building a Slack workspace for all EIT digital students and alumni in order to empower networking. During these 6 months, we'll also work on premium features, and then in the growth stage, we aim to get an investment at some point around the end of this year. We are also going to have a fully developed product by the end of this stage, and we'll start turning clients into paying customers. Of course, there is competition out there, but we have some strong, unique selling points. We offer conversation support. It can be simple questions proposed by us or managers, or small games. We also will offer Microsoft Teams integration. This will be done by the end of this year, and this is a new market. There is no competition there, and it's a software getting more and more popular. And with a customized matching, imagine that you want to learn something new, or you just want to chat on a different topic. We can make that happen. We will match you with the right people. And this is our main strength, I would say, the team. We have 6 EIT digital students in our team out of 7 team members. We come from 6 different countries, and we developed 2 products in the last year. Our first one, SpotYet Events, was already tested and was supposed to be released in March, but due to COVID, it was put on hold. However, we'll not forget about that product. And yeah, we are ready to get an investment and start working full-time on SpotYet. Now, in the end, I want to say that after 8 months in KTH Innovation and after testing SpotYet Virtual in 5 organizations so far, I can say with confidence that connecting remote workers is vital, and SpotYet Virtual is the solution most companies are looking for right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm very sorry for not giving you the heads up when there was 1 minute left, but you timed it perfectly. So let's move to some questions. I don't see anything in the chat yet, but are there any questions from the jury that you would like to ask?
Yeah, there is one now.
There is one now, but I see Philip also unmuted himself, so maybe we can start with that.
Karen, do you want to go ahead, Karen?
Oh, no problem. You can go too.
I was going to ask what evidence you've got that people actually that there's a real need for this. How difficult is it for people to actually organize, as you say, sort of virtual coffee breaks or whatever else it might be? Aren't they doing it pretty well already?
Thank you for your question. So in companies, there are HRs taking care of organizing these social events and activities, and they take quite a lot of time. We would save some time for HRs, and we'll make sure that all employees are actually engaged in these activities. We've been in contact with multiple companies from all over Europe, to be honest, and also based on the feedback we received from the testers, there is a need for this. They also mentioned what kind of different features they would want from SpotYet Virtual. There are also companies that are trying to build something like this in-house. I cannot mention names here, but there is for sure a need, especially now with all this remote work.
So do you have something working? Do you have a prototype actually working? And in which case, how many people are using it, or how many organizations are using it?
Yes, we have the MVP already ready. And in 1 month, we managed to have SpotYet Virtual used in 5 organizations, 3 companies and 2, let's say, like communities.
Okay.
Okay. Then there's a question from Karen as well.
Yeah. What do these companies where you have tested the product advantages to them besides having all these kinds of applications randomly?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure I got your question. So what advantages do these companies saw?
Yeah, what did they say? Okay. What was good on the product?
So the thing is, now with this remote work, we are all having meetings, but they're all work related. People don't have time to actually socialize, to have those random chats during coffee breaks. And this was actually a need. It affected the motivation inside teams. Teammates actually talk to each other and they discover new things about themselves thanks to the conversation topics we suggested. So overall, it boosted the energy and the motivation inside teams.
Yeah, so what you basically do is integrate multiple services into one solution, right? You can, for example, I drink coffee every morning with my colleagues in Eindhoven via one chat tool, and I have with my communications team another chat tool, which I also do my coffee in between breaks, just like you're saying hi to someone opposed to you, but you integrate all of this, the chat function, the meeting function, also collaboration functions to work on documents together, for example?
No, we don't have this. We match people in groups, and from there, it's basically their decision what they want to do during the call. They can use our suggestions, but we just provide a platform for people to communicate.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there was also a question from Mike.
Hi, actually, why did you decide to go with a freemium model? Why not just go straight and start charging everyone to use the product?
So we analyzed our competitors. We saw what they offer for free and what is part of premium packages. And we want to attract as many customers as possible because at the moment there is no big competitor there. There is no market leader. We want to attract as many as possible with a version that doesn't offer actually that many cool features. For example, everybody is asking for an analytics dashboard because managers need to have some KPIs there. They want customized connections, not just random. And all these things, they're going to be premium features. In the end, also after the feedback we've got, I'm quite sure most customers will be premium.
Okay, thank you very much for answering all the questions and for the great presentation, Sergio.